Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know about the difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system? The sympathetic and the parasympathetic system are the part of the peripheral nervous system. Here we explain the difference between them. The sympathetic and parasympathetic system together are part of the nervous system. They act in tandem to maintain a state of homeostasis in the body. Before we go on to understanding the various responses and effects of these two systems, we need to understand where these two systems originate from. The nervous system is divided into the central nervous system consisting of the brain and the spinal cord, and the consisting of nervous branches arising from the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is further divided into the somatic and autonomic system. It is the autonomic nervous system that is divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is one of the parts of the peripheral nervous system. The sympathetic nerves originates in the vertebral column beginning in the first thoracic segments of the spinal cord, extending upwards until the second or the third lumbar segments. The main function of sympathetic nervous system is to mobilize the body responses under stressful circumstances. Thus, the sympathetic nervous system initializes the fight or flight response of the body. The sympathetic system innervates many different organs of the body such as eyes, lungs, kidneys, gastrointestinal tract, heart, etc. It causes an increase in the heart rate and in the rate of secretion. It also increases the secretion of renin from the kidney. There is also stimulation of release of glucose from the liver, which is released into the blood so as to make it available for use by the body. Parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is a division of the autonomic nervous system. This is the part of autonomic nervous system that is responsible for the rest and digest phase of the body. The nerves of this system send fibers to the cardiac muscles, smooth muscles, and to the glandular tissue. The parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for bringing about an increase in salivation, tear production, urination, digestion, and defecation. The basic parasympathetic system involves functions and action that do not require an immediate reaction in the surrounding. Difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic system. There are many differences that exist as these two systems as in an opposing manner. Parasympathetic nervous system, constriction of pupils. Sympathetic nervous system, dilation of pupils. Parasympathetic nervous system, stimulation of secretion of saliva. Sympathetic nervous system, inhibitions of secretion of saliva. Parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heart rate, thus causing a drop in the blood pressure. Sympathetic nervous system increase the heart rate, thus causing an increase in the blood pressure. Parasympathetic nervous system constrict the bronchi, thus decreasing the diameter of airway. Sympathetic nervous system dilates the bronchi, thus increasing the diameter of airway. Parasympathetic nervous system stimulates activity of digestive system like stimulation of peristalsis. Sympathetic nervous system inhibits activity of digestive system like inhibition of peristalsis. Parasympathetic nervous system stimulates gallbladder secretion. Sympathetic nervous system decreases gallbladder secretion. Parasympathetic nervous system contracts urinary bladder. Sympathetic nervous system relaxes urinary bladder. Parasympathetic nervous system relaxes rectum. Sympathetic nervous system contracts rectum. Thus, as can be inferred from the above given table, the responses and effects of both the systems are complementary in nature rather than being antagonistic. The sympathetic divisions acts as the accelerator and the parasympathetic divisions acts as the decelerator of the human body. Thus, these two systems try to maintain the body in a normal state of homeostasis for the maximum possible time. At a time, only one of the two systems are activated in the body depending on the type of innervation brought about and the hormones released. So friends, hope you understand about this topic. I will be again here